Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We're back in my friend's garage looking today at the Liftmaster half horsepower chain drive garage door opener. It is a pretty nice opener. So this opener, it's not too noisy though. Here's the wall button. Now let's go ahead and open it up. It's a little bit loud. Kind of buzzes. It's a little bit noisy. Alright, now let's go ahead and do the closing, and here we go. It's a little bit noisy. Kind of buzzes. It looks like that light bulb inside of the garage door opener is burned out. It still works pretty good. Alright, now let's go ahead and operate the garage door again. Here we go. It's a little bit noisy. Close it again. Very nice opener. The chain is a little bit loose, but it works pretty good. Alright, now let's go ahead and operate the garage door opener one more time with the wall button, and here we go. Go close by the motor. It's a little bit loud. Alright. Now let's go ahead and close it one more time, and here we go. Alright, hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.